Fist up.
Yes! We're all receiving a gift of extra power! Powering up! Now, my fellow warriors!
I'll go to Earth and see what I can do.
Hikaru, Sho, take care of Earth. I'll handle this diabolical traitor to our people.
This is our light of justice! Son, Seven's my father? To this planet's future, my brother. Cosmos, strike from above! You worry too much, father.
You're terminated!
Not quick enough. You will pay for what you've done.
Belial. Let's go!
We'll work together as one from now on.